Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So, to get started, you will need to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my device. Once that is the case for your device, what you can do is hold the power button and volume down at the same time. Oh, I guess it's just clicking it. Yep, just clicking it. And this will capture a screenshot with a couple options. So we have share, tag, and edit. And after a moment, this disappears. Now there's also this little T that was visible right here. That will allow you to detect text in the screenshot. So just to kind of do this once more. As you can see, there is Microsoft and Netflix, and it detects both of these texts. You can actually select it from the image, copy it and paste it, and it just works without a problem. Now you also have, using a pen, this little pen icon right here, or somewhere on the edge of your screen, and you can tap on it. It gives you also a couple additional options for screenshots. So you have Smart Select, and this allows you to freely select areas. So we have the typical screenshot, so this just kind of drags like this, and whatever is in this box will get captured. So it's more like a crop. Then moving on, we have the free select. And there we go. So that's another one. We have a circular, a GIF, and post note. Let's see, pen. So this will, I guess, allow you to capture something like text and then just keep it on the screen. You can download it, meaning save it to your gallery, because I don't think I saved any of them. And you can keep it on the screen and, for instance, do some other stuff while having this open. Now that we have captured all the screenshots, all the different ones, we can find all of them in our gallery application. And you can see a bunch of them right here. So here's one screenshot, another one, and another one. And this is the last one, the one that was visible in the corner. All the free ones that I have captured, I didn't save them, so they're not going to be visible right here. But just to kind of prove or show this, so you would press right here to save it. And now when you go into your gallery, you can see it right here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.